Alright, and we are back doing the second half of the box. So we got ourselves another 12 packs to go here. And let's just get to it. I am definitely hoping for a Legacy collection. I'm not greedy enough to ask for a Masterpiece card, so we'll see. Let's see. Alright. These tones. This green. I don't know if anybody else, but I'm always annoyed when they move the cards in different orders and shuffle them around. You gotta straighten them out in the same direction. Alright, Brett Favre. Nice looking one, number 4 there in the background. And Antonio Freeman right behind him. Alright, got Peyton Manning, second year card. Base design, that's the cheaper of the 3 designs that they do. And got another Antonio Freeman. Steve Young. Alright. These are the ones I like. Unfortunately, you can't display them too well because they're horizontal. I'll leave them by themselves. Tim Biakabatuka. People thought Giannis's name was hard to say. Yeah, Barry Sanders. Very nice. Yeah, nice TO there. Might be on our way to a Steve Young TO Jerry Rice set there. Akili Smith numbered. Alright. Alright, Deion Sanders, Cowboys card. Very nice. And moving on. Schindhofer, Super Bowl winning quarterback. It's Cunningham there. And Fred Taylor. And there's our Jerry Rice. Pretty decent shape there. This card stuck to it again. Marvin Harrison. Oh, nice. Randy Moss Legacy Collection. Of all the names you could get from that year, that's one of the better ones. So let's zoom on in here. So the Legacies, they have the blue. The Masterpiece out of the Legacy will be the one of ones. Now, granted, they do one of each design for each player, so there's really 3 one of ones for each player. But it should be numbered on the back still. And we've got 28 of 99 right there. So that's a pretty nice pull. Second year card for Randy Moss. So, you know, if you're ranking guys, he's probably number 10 or 12 after the Hall of Fame quarterbacks, the Marinos, the Favres, the Youngs, the Peyton Mannings. He's probably right there behind them. So not a bad pull right there. Best one yet. Let's keep going. Maybe we'll have a relic card or that one of one still. I'm not holding my breath, but you never know. Okay, got McCaffrey. Ricky Williams, first rounder. Overhyped bust. Alright, got Curtis Martin. Done. Bettis and Tony Gonzalez. Down to 3 packs left. Almost done, guys. Alright, Marvin Harrison. Charlie Batch. Priest Holmes. And we did these in order out of the box, so no shuffling around on those. Started with the left side, worked our way down, then went on the right side, worked our way down. Alright, we got a Peyton at least. Let's see, Jerome Bettis. For Jerry Rice, very nice. And we got the Peyton with the nicer background there. I always like those cards. Last pack. Okay, Shannon Sharp. And Stephen McNair. Barry Sanders at the very end. Nice pull. So that's all we got for today. Next week we'll be busting a 1995 Emotion baseball box. Again, I'm looking at things that are not that expensive, so if you like the product and enjoy it, you can afford it. So again, this box was about $89 on eBay. We found it, and the Emotion's coming in this week, so we'll have that to open up. So feel free to check out updates on the website. I got that right here. It's going to be Crazy Larry Sports Emporium, crazylarrysports.com. And we'll have updates on there regarding box breaks of what we're opening and when. And you're welcome to come by and watch live. Otherwise, we'll go ahead and post the videos after the fact on our website and on YouTube. So that's it. Have a great day.